the fact of you eventually you will have to accept the person for who they are, meaning to the point of like these last past two couple months been very difficult for me. And the reason that it will have been very difficult for me is because that I was in a relationship for 2 years with an individual that was more so pushing me to go to therapy and get healed, and then they wasn't doing the same, and that individual ended up holding a lot of things behind a door. So when a person care and a person love you, a person would try to give you advice. A person would try to help you in any type of way, fashion, especially if it's kids involved. So my point is more so of the fact of when she gave me advice, criticism, or any harsh words, I would get offended and I would not take heed at first because I wasn't emotionally and I wasn't mentally prepared or understood her rebuttal. So it basically now it comes to a point where when a person isn't healed and a person isn't happy, they feelings and emotions as a person will come before their children. And at the end of the day, that's not right and that's not fair because our kids didn't ask to be here. So long story short, after me saying certain things regarding to her being a nanny and trying to be a mother, I basically explained, I said, listen, your feelings are valid, but at the end of the day, I'm not here to cater for your feelings anymore because you're not in a relationship. I want you to know our kids' feelings come first, and I want you to know that you're going to have to eventually choose to the point where you have to look for a new employment. Because at the end of the day, you being a nanny and trying to come home being a mother is not going to fit. Because when you get off of being a nanny and it's partially like their mother, and also at your job, it's Caucasian kids, so you overly do, you know. And so, well, by the time you get to the point where you around your kid or your child, your kids, you will grow irritated, you grow tired, you go drain, So like it be ready for them to get to bed, it be ready for them to go straight to lay down. They don't